The universe may seem calm from a distance, but it hides colossal movements. Among the most fascinating are galactic collisions, slow, silent, and incredibly powerful events. Today, let's imagine what such a collision would look like, including the one already set to happen between the Milky Way and Andromeda. The Milky Way and Andromeda are slowly approaching each other. Both contain hundreds of billions of stars and vast amounts of dark matter. They travel at over 400,000 kilometers per hour, yet won't collide for another 4 billion years. This encounter won't be an explosive crash, but a slow gravitational fusion. Two cosmic giants dancing toward the inevitable, guided by the force that governs the universe, gravity. As galaxies begin to interact, their outer edges distort. Clouds of gas and dust collide, forming long arcs and stellar tails. Their spiral shapes unravel into chaotic structures. Stars don't collide directly, but their orbits are dramatically altered. It's like watching the sky slowly rearrange itself, matter pulled and reshaped over millions of years. Gravity acts like a silent conductor. The two galaxies orbit, pass through each other, then drift apart, only to repeat the dance until they finally merge. This process takes billions of years. Each pass stretches their forms further. Spiral arms intertwine, galactic cores draw near. Amid the chaos, new stars are born. It's a cosmic dance with no music, but with equal parts beauty and destruction. Despite the event's magnitude, most stars never collide directly. That's because the space between them is vast. Still, gravitational fields shift dramatically. Stars are pulled into new orbits, and solar systems may be flung out or consumed. The chaos lies in distortion, not impact. Planets may drift alone through interstellar space, torn from their suns without warning. As galaxies collide, gas clouds compress and heat up. This triggers bursts of star formation. Thousands of new stars ignite simultaneously, lighting up once dark regions. Colliding galaxies shine brightly due to this activity. They're like cosmic fireworks, signaling that amid destruction, something new is emerging, stellar life born from galactic collapse. At the center of each galaxy lies a supermassive black hole. During the collision, these two titans slowly approach, influencing everything around them with their gravity. It may take millions of years before they merge. When they do, a massive gravitational wave ripples across space-time. It's the universe's silent roar, two invisible giants becoming one, unleashing energy strong enough to shake nearby galaxies. As galactic centers draw near, star density rises critically. The new galactic core becomes a hyperactive region, filled with radiation, heat, and dense stellar clusters. Entire solar systems may be destroyed or absorbed. Orbits become chaotic. Gravity dominates. It's a new heart, molded from the fusion of two ancient cores, a place where energy pulses endlessly through a crowded cosmic vein. After billions of years of chaos, a new galaxy emerges. No longer spiral-shaped, it now takes on an elliptical, smoother form. But scars remain, star trails in eccentric orbits, voids, and dense regions. The galaxy is a blend of stories, matter, and light, a unique entity born from the union of two ancient cosmic monarchs. It's rebirth through destruction. When the Milky Way and Andromeda collide, Earth may still exist, though in an aging solar system. The night sky will glow, star clouds, dust bands, entire galaxies on display. Despite the chaos, a collision with another star is unlikely. But the sun will be nearing its death. If we're still here, we'll be silent witnesses to a dance that reshapes the universe. A galactic collision spans billions of years. Each stage, from approach to final fusion, lasts countless centuries. To humans, it would seem frozen in time. But for the universe, it's a blink of an eye. Cosmic time doesn't rush or pause. It moves in a rhythm beyond our grasp. Galactic collisions remind us that we exist in a reality far larger than we can ever fully comprehend. Astronomers have documented many galactic collisions in progress. Telescopes like Hubble have captured images of galaxies with twisted arms, merged cores, and long stellar tails. These aren't just scenes from distant realms, they are snapshots of the Milky Way's future. Studying them helps us understand the universe's dynamics and predict the fate of our own galactic home. The future, it seems, is already visible in the sky. Galactic collisions aren't rare exceptions, they're part of how the universe evolves. Many of today's galaxies are the result of ancient mergers. These events shape structure, trigger star formation, redistribute matter, and change the course of cosmic history. Without collisions, the universe would be less complex, less brilliant, and less dynamic. Chaos, in this case, is a vital ingredient in the recipe for stellar existence. If we could witness a galactic collision in real time, it would be like watching a work of art in constant transformation. Each point of light would be a moving star. Each curve, shaped by millions of years of gravity. There would be no sound, only form and light. A spectacle no human eye could fully grasp. It's the universe revealing its beauty in its slowest and most powerful expression. If humanity survives for billions of years, we might witness the collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda. We could be in interstellar ships, watching from afar, or living on new worlds, gazing at the sky in awe. It would be the moment our galaxy ceases to be what we know. A rare opportunity to witness the birth of a new cosmic home, and perhaps to call it our own. In the end, a galactic collision is just another phase in the natural cycle of the cosmos. Everything is born, transforms, and is reborn. The destruction of a galactic structure gives rise to something new. The universe is an endless dance of light and shadow, chaos and harmony. And even at such massive scale, there is poetry, because even in collision, galaxies create. And in the silence of space, the cycle continues. The universe is bigger than we can comprehend. And its mysteries are only beginning. Every day, a new video awaits you here. If you're drawn to the unknown, then you're in the right place. Subscribe, and keep exploring the dark side of the cosmos with us.